Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. Therefore, we believe that Ripple, or XRP, is the most important cryptocurrency to track closely during the next week. Although there has been less buzz in the media about the network since June 23rd, activity on the network itself has not subsided. With an increase of approximately 135,000 active users every day. This surge in interest and trading activity may signal an imminent price increase in the coming weeks. In the previous week, the price of Ripple has remained quite stable between 47 cents and 49 cents. However, as the hype subsides, the increased network economic activity could provide the thrust necessary for XRP's price to soar. If the current rate of growth continues, Ripple might potentially surpass its previous high of 60 cents in 2023. The initial tidal wave of Ripple coverage that began in early June has subsided considerably after peaking on July 7th. Since then, sentiment data shows that mentions of Ripple have dropped by nearly 98%. Many strategic investors wait for prices to drop to entry levels, therefore this is considered as a positive sign that a bottom has been struck. If you've been thinking about buying some XRP, now might be the time. Against this backdrop, the claim that Ripple Labs intended to purchase back an astonishing 10 billion XRP tokens is noteworthy. John Deaton, a prominent proponent of XP, has advocated for the acquisition of bankrupt assets as a means to expand Ripple's influence in the cryptocurrency market. Ripple's CTO quickly shot down these rumors, but Johnny Deaton, an unrelenting supporter of XRP, keeps stirring the pot with his insightful commentary. The man known for his staunch XRP support, Deaton, was originally skeptical, saying he wouldn't believe it until Ripple confirmed the buyback news officially. Deaton's astute concerns were shared by fellow lawyer Bill Morgan, who investigated in depth the probable financial consequences of such a buyback. Ripple's brilliant CTO, David Schwartz, responded directly to the charges and shed light on the situation. Schwartz stated that while Ripple does make XRP acquisitions, he was unaware of any current intentions for a buyback. He further stressed that the rumors were not supported by any evidence. Even after Schwartz's authoritative confirmation, though, Deaton was quick to grasp the opportunity to offer his own thoughts on the intriguing rumor. "I'm no Brad Garlinghouse, but I can think of better ways to spend $5 billion to increase Ripple's presence in the cryptocurrency industry," which he then strikingly reposted. There are probably some bankrupt assets that could be bought for $5 billion. Deaton's remarks imply that he thinks Ripple may use other ways to get the most out of $5 billion. Deaton's use of the term bankrupt assets alludes to the possibility that Ripple may buy lowly priced or failing crypto sector projects. As the alleged buybacks by Ripple send shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market. The increased regulatory attention that has been afflicting the Bitcoin business aligns with the date of this speculation. Ripple Labs is in the middle of a heated legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, about whether or not XRP should be considered a securities. Summary judgment is a source of debate in the XRP lawsuit. Timing. Cases that cause a ripple effect in the legal system. The issue of summary judgment has been the subject of much discussion among attorneys. Ex-SEC attorney Mark Fagel has uncovered a longer typical duration for such cases. The litigation has become an excellent analogy. The XRP community and legal professionals have been discussing when to expect a summary decision in the ongoing Ripple litigation. The XRP community has been waiting patiently for a positive judgment since the summary judgment briefings were finalized in December 2022. Ex-SEC attorney Brand scheduled for complying with the law regarding XRP faked reports. Mr. Huber, an active member of the XRP community, sparked the discussion when he posted a screen capture of online information showing how long courts normally take to evaluate legal papers and make decisions on summary judgment motions. According to one report, the process may take between 1 and 3 months. Mr. Huber dismissed this as fake news, though. After reading Mr. Huber's tweet, former SEC attorney Mark Feisal joined the conversation. Feisal agreed with Mr. Huber that the 1 to 3 month time limit was off, and he warned against relying only on online legal research. According to Faisal's research, federal cases show that requests for summary judgment in one federal district court take about 6 months on average. Since Ripple has been waiting for nearly 7 months, this realization is especially pertinent. John Deaton emphasizes interesting aspects of the LBI litigation. John Deaton, the man who basically invented crypto law, weighed in on the topic on Twitter. Deaton brought up the timeliness of the litigation, to which Faisal replied that it took about 4.5 months. Ripple's senior staff software engineer, Neil Hartner, noted that early predictions about the case's lengthy deliberation favoring the defendant were erroneous, and that the lower period might be attributed to a less complete record. Hartner hypothesized that the amount of content being reviewed was the most significant determinant of time. Deaton also underlined the tenfold increase in submissions for the Ripple cases compared to the LBI cases. He also brought up key distinctions between the cases, such as the fact that the existence of a common enterprise, the second prong of the Howey test, is a point of contention. 7 months will soon have passed for Ripple. John Deaton, inventor of the emerging field of crypto law, chimed in on the Twitter thread, noting that the 6-month regulation wouldn't have been instituted by Congress if federal district courts only took an average of 1 to 3 months for potentially dispositive actions like summary judgment petitions. The community analyzes the Ripple rollout in relation to the LBI case. When asked when the lawsuit would be filed, Ripple's senior staff software engineer working on ADL, Neil Hartner, chimed in. The response came from Mark Faisal. Approximately 5 months. They speculated that this could be because of the significantly smaller archive there. Hartner noted that he remembered the case's observers thinking the judge was taking too long and took that as a hint the defendant would be found not guilty. The contrary was true, however. He continues by saying it appears the only variable is the amount of content being reviewed. John Deaton, the originator of the field of cryptolaw, agreed, stating that the Ripple case has 10 times as many files as the LBI case. He also draws attention to certain key distinctions between the two cases. There are 10 times as many filings in Ripple as there are in LBI. You're welcome for viewing. Please hit the like button and sign up for my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip. Bye.